Hello everyone, today I will explain about reading. The first is the purpose reading, the second is the types of reading. The third is reading skill, the fourth is text structure, vocabulary understanding, and reading strategies. Reading is an important skill in learning English. By reading, we can get information, increase our knowledge, and understand ideas from a text. Reading also helps you improve your vocabulary and thinking skill. There are several purposes of reading. The main purpose is to understand the meaning of a text. Sometimes we read to get specific information, and sometimes we read for enjoyment, like reading stories or novel. Next, there are different types of reading. First is skimming. Skimming means reading quickly to get the main idea of the text. In reading, we also need some skill. The first skill is finding the main idea. This helps you know what the text is about. The second is finding details, which gives us more information. The third is making inferences, which means understanding something that is not directly written in the text. Text structure. Every text has a structure that helps you understand the content of the reading. In general, there are three main parts. First, the introduction, to introduce the topic. Second, the body, which contains explanation and examples. Third, the conclusion, to summarize the discussion. In English, types of text such as descriptive, narrative, recon, and procedure have different structures according to their purpose. Vocabulary understanding. Vocabulary understanding is very important in reading. The more vocabulary mastered, the smoother the reading process. Ways to understand vocabulary include: first, using context clues from surrounding sentences. Second, analyzing the root word, prefixes, and suffixes. Third, using a dictionary if necessary. It is recommended to note down new vocabulary along with example sentences so that vocabulary continues to increase. Basic skill. We also use reading strategies. One strategy is predicting, which means guessing what the text will talk about. Another is questioning, which means asking questions while reading. We also have summarizing, which means telling the main idea in your own words, and clarifying, which means understanding the future parts of the text. In addition, understanding vocabulary is very important in reading. If we know the meaning of words, it will be easier for us to understand the text. In conclusion, reading is a very useful skill. It helps you understand information, improve your vocabulary, and think better. By using the right skill and strategies, we can become better readers. Reading is one of the four language skills that must be mastered. The other skills are listening, speaking, and writing. However, reading plays a very big role because most knowledge is delivered through written text, whether in books, articles, or digital media. In addition, reading can train concentration and analytical skill. When we read, our brain works to connect words, sentences, and paragraphs into a complete understanding. Therefore, the more often we read, the better our critical thinking skill will be. To become a good reader, we must know your purpose for reading, choose the appropriate type of reading, and apply reading skill and strategies correctly. The main key is consistent practice. The more often we practice, the more our reading ability will improve.